this thing won't stay in tune.
Could it be the player?
It might be operator error.
Uh-oh.
One of the reasons that I brought the old Gibson SG today is because the Don Stuck Band is playing, kicking the whole thing off at 4:30 on Friday, the New Palestine Summer Fest. It's the 10th annual, lots of bands all day long. I mean, it's just going to be a good, I got to get this thing tuned.
You're going to have Groove Smash. Melon Cougar's going to be here.
Yes.
And, of course, the Don Stuck Band. And all this is happening June 26th and 27th. And Don is happening right here in our hometown of New Pal.
Lifelong members of New Palestine. We just love it here. We love our cornfields. We love our bean fields. We love our Main Street, that's for sure.
That's right.
And this thing is going to be a massive food fest and a great thing for the whole family.
Yeah.